My name is Matt with Vism, and this is another FocalPoint software video. And today I'm going to talk about quick rental. Okay, so many of you guys probably use this. If you've used FocalPoint at all, you've used quick rental. It's a great tool that makes it easy to get your customers in and out as quickly and efficiently as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna run through this real quick, and then I'll kind of talk about it. So I'm gonna go through quick rental and process an order. Okay, and process a rental. I'll attach an item to it. I'll have a customer on there. We'll do a payment. Okay, you'll just see in how few clicks and how quickly I can get this contract drawn up and get that customer out the door. Okay, and then I'll run back through and talk about it real quick. So let's check this out here. As you see here, I've got quick rental is within the front counter menu option. So all I need to do is just click on quick rental and it's going to pop up here. And now I'm going to go ahead and process a sale. So got the customer. We're going to go ahead and add an air compressor. We've got the meter. And I'm going to go into payment and completed. That's it. That's all there is to it. How long did that take me to process that rental? 20 seconds? Maybe, you know. All right, now that you're trying to figure out what the heck I just did, let me take us back through that real quick, okay? So here's what I did. So once you go into quick rental, I've got my customer that I can select up here. I can also start with the item too, all right? So I could just select the item here and okay. And it's gonna pull up the different serialized items here, and I'll just choose one of them there, and I can make sure that the meter is correct and everything on there. Just verify that stuff. Now I can set it up as kits. Kits are awesome. You guys know about that. That's on a different video, but kits are just simply accessories that or just different attachments that go with your equipment. So you can set that up. I didn't add a kit in this case, so they didn't need anything else, so I just hit no. But you can click yes and add other accessories if you want to on that. But now that I've done that, there's the air compressor right there, okay? And what's really cool about this is I've got a total breakout price there as well. So if I wanted to click that and see what my totals are, then then I can see all that. But now that I've got the item on there, all I need to do is just go right up here and assign a customer to it. Of course, you can do a search for your customers. If they're not in here, you can do a quick add. Okay, so you can add new customers in here on the fly. You don't have to go into a different customer section first, add them in, and then come back in here. You can do it all right here from quick rental. But once you've got them selected, you just are going to continue, and then you're done. Outside of that, I mean, if you need to change the length of time or the dates and all that, that's right here. You can also do this search bar right here and search for other equipment. This, by the way, for where I selected this, in case you were wondering, these are the quick tiles. Okay, these are set up specifically designed for quickness and convenience. All right, so I've got my seasonal items here. So I've got summer on here, so you can set it up for spring, summer, fall, winter, any of the seasons. You can have different seasonal items that you will commonly rent during that time of year. So you can have those set up here to where you can easily select those. Now I also have my customer top 10. So I can go in and I can see the 10 most commonly rented things from that customer. Now, as you can see here, some of these items don't have pictures. You don't have to have a picture in here. It looks better when you do. Okay, so I would highly recommend having a picture of that item on here because it just looks cool, you know. But you don't have to. It's going to show you a description of what it is. It's going to show you how many you have available based on your time frame, and then also the charges there. But then I can also go into the store top 10. And how about that? How about being able to quickly see what are the top 10 items I'm renting in the store and select from that? Because we know our customers are creatures of habit, so likely whatever they're renting is going to come from those items there. But if not, you can still do a search here And at this point, you're done. You can just go into the payment, take a payment. If you've got them set up as a charge customer, you can charge them, but then you're just going to save it, print off your receipts. You've already got your signatures, and you're done. That's it. Okay? So this is the quick rental function within FocalPoint software. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Join me next time for another video. And again, my name is Matt with Vism, and this is FocalPoint software.